Hello guys, welcome back to our channel LifeLiyo. In this video, you are going to learn about what do you mean by short circuit evaluation in Python, when short circuiting will happen in Python. First, what is short circuit evaluation? Short circuit evaluation means stopping the execution of operation if the truth value of expression has been determined already. So, whenever you are performing any operations, if you have known the result of the first condition, then the remaining terms have to be exempted. That is, you are going to stop the execution of the remaining conditions operation. Then we are going to take the first result only. Or we can define it as the short circuit evaluation means when you are evaluating an expression like AND or, you can stop as soon as you find the first condition which satisfies or negates the expression. That means when you are using the AND or any other operations, if you find the first condition results which is going to be satisfied, then you are going to exempt the remaining expression. When short circuiting will happen in Python? When means, first of all, when you are using the logical operators like AND or when you are using the built-in functions like all and any, or when you are using the range function. Like this, we are having the different various areas when short circuiting will happen in Python. Let us take an example for this. Now I am going to take that x equal to input of enter any string. Now if I try to not give any other thing into the x, if I try to print x, I am going to get the empty. But whenever I use the OR operator with this one, x equal to input enter of any string, or if I say it as a Python or LifeLiyo, now it is asking me to enter any string. If I don't enter anything, you will think that you are going to get the empty string, but that is the wrong. So when you print the x, print of x, then you are going to get the LifeLiyo. What happened here is, first it tries to execute this one. If this condition is failed, then it moves to the another condition. So in this case, it is having only one thing. That's why it doesn't take any input into the x. But here in this case, if this condition is not executed, then it moves to this one. Now, what is there in the short? Now I will take another program. X equal to 10, y equal to 5, z equal to 30. So if x less than 20 or y greater than 30, print x. So save this and run. We got the answer as 10. Here if you observe that whenever the x value has been assigned as 10 and 5 in the y, 30 in the z, first and foremost it checks as 10 less than 20 or y is the 5 greater than 30. Here whenever the first condition has been evaluated, 10 less than 20, it is true. So when you use the logical operator or, whenever the first condition satisfies as the true, then the remaining conditions are not going to be evaluated. That means whatever the conditions you have, it is not going to be evaluated. Simply what it is going to do, it is printing the x value. Yes, 10. Now let's consider another example here. So I will take that a string A, I am going to search in the A or B. That means A is equal to A or B. So first A is a single character which is going to verify with this character or this character. Yes, we get the answer as a true because this character A is with the A. But the problem whenever we use parenthesis that comes here, before that B equal to A or B. What we expect, B is a character which is equal to A or B. Yes, it is also going to give the answer as the B. It is going to give as the B. Now, the parenthesis comes into the picture here. A equal to A or B. True, because when you have the OR operator as well as the parenthesis, first parenthesis is going to be evaluated as per the operator precedence. So A is a string character and B is also a string character. So first one is a true. So that means it is going to be not evaluated. So A is equal to A. Yes, true has been evaluated. But now look into the B value. B equal to A or B. Now can you assume that the answer will be the false? Why? Because when you are using the parenthesis, first inside content will be evaluated. Here A or B. That means obviously A is going to be evaluated. So A or B means the answer is going to be A. B equal to A. It is false. So here the left thing has been exempted. This is short circuiting. Or if you want to get an idea, I will take x equal to 5, y equal to 10, z equal to 6. So if I print that x greater than y and y greater than z and z greater than y. Here I am using the AND operator. Here when we use this one, x greater than y, 5 greater than 10 and 10 greater than 6 and 6 greater than 5. Whenever the first condition is evaluated and you got the answer as the false, 5 greater than 10 is false. So whenever you get the false, automatically it is not going to evaluate the remaining constraints because this is the short circuiting. Whenever the first condition, which satisfies or negates the expression, then it is not going to evaluate the remaining expression. This is called as the short circuiting. It mainly occurs at the times of the AND operation or operation. And also it may be occur at the all function, any function, range function. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel LifeLiyo. Thank you everyone.